Hello everyone, this is Dhruv Singhal from Kanamakhan Millennium School, your friend with another topic. This topic is very beautiful as the name is so unique. This topic is actually rarely discussed by anyone as no one knows about it more. That is why I am discussing this topic. Now, believe me, till the end of the video, you're gonna understand each and everything about this topic. The topic is multiverse. Now, what is multiverse basically? This word is new to you, but multiverse is the multiverse is a hypothetical group of multiple universe. Sounds interesting, right? Together these universe comprises everything that exists in this world. The first thing is the entirety of the space, time, matter, energy, informations and the physical laws and constant that describes them. Now what are the physical laws and constant? Like we have studied about the gravitational laws and the constant that are these we are talking about. Basically, the multiverse is a collection of universe. You know na that what is universe? I know most of you will know, but who don't know, let me tell them. Universe is all the space where stars, sun, solar system exist. Now think that can it be possible that as as universe can exist more, there can be exist more than one universe? Yes, it can be possible. As you know that Big Bang theory leads to the formation of the universe. Now think that only two big rocks have struck together and they form a universe. So in this whole universe, how many other universe exist? How many more Big Bang theories exist? It can be possible. You know that with the total universe about 48.5 billion we know, but we have known properly about 13.7 billion light years. Distance of 13.7 billion light years we are known from 48.7 billion light years. So anything can happen. Now, many of you might be confused with the word multiverse and the universe. So let me tell you, multiverse is a hypothetical thinking of us that describe that there can be more than one universe exist, while universe, as just I told you, is the collection of stars, solar system, galaxies. Now you all might be thinking that Dhruv is joking, but do you know about metaphysics? Yes, you are correct. Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that deals with the cause and the nature of being. It basically tells that hypothetical multiverse can exist. It's basically the study of what we imagine and what is the reality. Now, metaphysics does not mean like it based on religions, like many of the religions describe that yes, there can be exist multiple universe, but what is true is metaphysics. Now you all will be thinking that Dhruv is joking. He is speaking useless. Thus, a hypothetical multiverse can never exist. But let me tell you, the scientists of NASA, ISRO, have only discovered that there can be chances of exist of multiverse. They are not only working on the Earth about the other planets, but they are also working beyond that. Their thinking is above our thinking. That is why they are scientists. Their working has only proved that multiverse can exist. Now, sometimes people used to say reality is so different from imagination, but believe me, it's not just the reason why they say that is they don't know how to make the imaginations come true or to relate it with their reality. Do you know who is he? Yes, he's the Sir Great Stephen Hawking. He was a cosmologist. Now many of you are not aware about that what a cosmologist, but cosmologists are the scientists which deals with the universe. They actually research on the universe, and that he has done a lot and he has contributed a lot to discover more things. That's why we remember him. He's he was a very nice person, as he have discovered very new things, and he was a true motivational speaker. He was physically challenged, but his brain was like Albert Einstein. I know this session was short, but I just want to tell you about what is multiverse, as you never have listened about it. You may research it about it, and let me tell you that I will be back with another video on multiverse. More about the things. I will tell you more things about the multiverse. This was just a quiet introduction about multiverse. So, thank you everyone. If you like the video, please comment and like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.